Recall that we separate wiring into three categories: hot wires, neutral wires, and ground wires. Each wire has a different job in the circuit. Each component in the circuit will need to have a hot wire. The hot wire is typically black or red. Some components in the circuit will need to have a ground and a neutral wire. Recall that the hot wire delivers power to each component. You can think of the hot wire as delivering power from the source to the entrance of the component. Recall that the neutral wire connects the last component in the circuit back to the power source. The neutral wire creates a complete path for current to flow. Recall that the ground wire connects the circuit to the earth. The ground wire protects us if the system has a short circuit.